Energy is related not only to economic growth, but to quality of life as well. We consume a truly vast amount of energy, with the demand continuing to skyrocket at an alarming rate. It is estimated that by 2035, India's power demand will grow to more than double, providing a massive challenge for the country. Even today, more than 300 million Indians have no access to electricity. The traditional sources of energy are simply incapable of meeting this challenge. But there is hope. There's hope of meeting these challenging requirements with several alternative sources like solar energy and wind energy, etc. India is blessed with an abundance of sunlight, and demand and use of renewable energy alternatives are growing by the day throughout the country. Addressing this complex situation of energy management requires services of an expert competent in navigating through this scenario. Here comes Granzor Engineering, a company providing wide range of products, turnkey solutions and services in the segment of renewable energy and energy efficiency. The solutions provided by Granzor are highly customized and are as per latest technology available in the world. Granzor Engineering has strategic alliances with Spain and Australia on technology sharing for specialized applications. Granzor provides solar systems from kilowatt to megawatt. A standalone solar photovoltaic system is not connected with the power grid and is designed to charge battery to meet your energy needs.
The sun rays are made of photons. These photons are basically the bundle of energies. These photons, when hit the surface of solar modules, they excite DC, direct current. This DC is collected through the circuit and passed to the battery for a storage. When it is stored in battery, it is in the form of chemical energy. Later on, when it is to be fed for alternating current using appliances, this is passed into the inverter, and from there inverter creates the direct current or the chemical energy from the battery into the alternating current.
Granzor Engineering client list includes a large group of individuals. Listing them all would not be possible, but some of our core clients are Tata Steel, Bosch, ACC Limited, Shree Cement, Indian Oil, Indian Railways, ITBP in Leh, IIT Kanpur, Varka Dairy and Oberoi Hotels. Granzor Engineering has also established solar-powered petrol pump in suburban area which are completely functioning on solar energy. Granzor also have testimonials from customers regarding positive experiences.
सौर ऊर्जा लगाने के बाद में अब हमें सबसे बड़ी सुविधा तो ये हुई है कि जो हमारा हम डीजल पर पैसा खर्च करते थे वो डीजल पे बचत हुई है, और बिजली तो यहाँ आती नहीं है खैर बिजली की, इसलिए हमने कनेक्शन भी नहीं लिया। और सौर ऊर्जा लगने के बाद में सौर ऊर्जा से जब चाहो जब मशीन चालू रखिए और लाइट भी अच्छी जलती है। इससे
उन परेशानियों से बचने के लिए सोलर सिस्टम का विचार सोचा कि इससे क्या कहते हैं मुक्ति मिलेगी। एक बार पैसा ज़रूर खर्च होगा और इससे फ़ायदा ही फ़ायदा है। मतलब जनरेटर से ही मैं चलाता था, इसमें मेरा 5-6 लीटर डेली डीजल खर्च होता था, परंतु जब से ये सोलर सिस्टम लगाया तब से मतलब मुझे कम से कम 1,08,000 रुपये का फ़ायदा है एक साल में।
The Indian Oil Corporation Limited has requested its dealers to run petrol pumps on solar energy. The Indian Oil Corporation official said,
इंडियन ऑयल में सोलर पावर का प्रयोग जो है काफ़ी ज़ोरदार तरीके से अब हो रहा है, और सबसे पहले इसका प्रयोग जो है हमारे पेट्रोल पंपों पे हुआ। इंडियन ऑयल के करीब 20,000 से ज़्यादा पेट्रोल पंप हैं, और बहुत सारे पेट्रोल पंप इस तरह के हैं जो गांव देहात में हैं, पिछड़े ऐसे इलाकों में हैं जहां बिजली या तो नहीं है या है भी तो पूरे तरीके से पूरी टाइम पे नहीं आती, या वोल्टेज उसके प्रॉपर नहीं होते हैं। तो उसकी वजह से हमारे डीलर बंधुओं को काफ़ी तकलीफ़ होती है, या तो उनकी सेल्स मारी जाती है या इक्विपमेंट ख़राब हो जाते हैं अगर वोल्टेज फ्लक्चुएशन वगैरह होती है। तो इसके तह में जाते हुए और काफ़ी प्रयोग करते हुए इंडियन ऑयल ने ये डिसाइड किया कि पेट्रोल पंपों पे सोलर पावर लगाई जाए, सोलर फोटोवोल्टाइक सिस्टम लगाए जाएं।
Granzor Engineering is also giving a fillip to the green initiative of India by providing solar energy lights, solar street lights, electronic chokes and fittings, which fuel catalysts for all types of liquid fossil fuels. Granzor has also planned to launch distribution of highly specialized solar products targeted for rural India. It has also planned special training for fresh engineers and young entrepreneurs thinking to enter in the field of solar energy. The sun is the most reliable renewable energy source we have. A common misconception is that solar energy is not cost effective.
Those days are gone when solar used to be very costly. These days, with the reducing cost of the solar panels, inverters, and to a large extent the installation and commissioning charges as well, the total cost of the solar projects have come down tremendously. Earlier, if you remember, it used to be almost rupees 2,70,000 per kilowatt, but these days it is hardly costing rupees 1,50,000 or even lower than that, depending on the site locations and design, etc., etc.
A landmark in renewable energy, Granzor Engineering has its headquarters in Delhi and serves whole of India through its branch offices at Mumbai, Allahabad, Satna, Jaipur and Chennai. Leading the way to energy revolution, Granzor Engineering is a group founded by technical experts from IIT under the leadership of Chairman Mr. T.N. Tiwari, electrical engineer from IIT Kharagpur, and Managing Director Mr. Ravindra Prakash Dubey, mechanical engineer from IIT Kanpur. Granzor has emerged as the renewable energy leader with wide range of products in the segment of renewable energy and energy efficiency and brightening up tomorrow today. Granzor Energy Revolution. www.granzor.in